Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Ford Edge with a key. First, locate the physical key blade, which is often hidden within your key fob. Insert this blade into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Give it a firm turn clockwise to manually unlock the door. This is a crucial step, especially if your car's battery is dead and the remote entry isn't working. For everyday convenience, your key fob is the primary tool. A single press of the unlock button will open just the driver's door. If you need to access all doors or the rear liftgate, simply press the unlock button a second time. Remember, your key fob also includes a panic button, which can be activated by holding it down for a few seconds in an emergency. What if your key fob battery is running low? Don't worry. You can often still start your vehicle by holding the key fob directly against the steering column. This allows the car to detect its signal. Additionally, if your Ford Edge is equipped with a door keypad, you can enter your personal 5-digit code to gain entry without any key. To ensure you're never locked out, regular maintenance is key. It's a good practice to replace your key fob battery every 2 to 3 years. Always keep a spare key in a safe, memorable place, perhaps with a trusted family member. Also, occasionally check your door lock cylinders to ensure they are free of debris, allowing the physical key to work smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.